Welcome to my channel. Starting a freelancing career in 2023 can be an exciting and rewarding venture. Freelancing offers the flexibility to work on your terms and can be a lucrative way to earn a living. In this guide, we will explore the steps to get started with freelancing in simple language with the aim of creating a YouTube video script of around 1,200 words. How to start freelancing in 2023, a step-by-step guide ****. Begin with an engaging hook, hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, freelancing in 2023. If you've ever dreamed of working on your own terms, from anywhere in the world, freelancing might be the perfect fit for you. Step 1. Self-assessment. Before diving into the world of freelancing, it's crucial to assess your skills, strengths, and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? This self-reflection will help you choose the right freelancing niche. Step 2. Choose your niche. Selecting the right niche is essential. It's where your expertise aligns with the market demand. Research popular niches, evaluate competition, and find your unique selling point. Step 3. Create an online presence. In the digital age, having an online presence is vital. Create a professional website, LinkedIn profile, and social media accounts to showcase your skills and portfolio. Step 4. Build a portfolio. Clients want to see what you can do. Start small. Take on projects and build a portfolio that highlights your best work. A strong portfolio can attract high-paying clients. Step 5. Set your rates. Pricing can be tricky. Research industry rates. Consider your experience and be competitive. Don't undervalue your skills, but also be reasonable to attract clients. Step 6. Find clients. Clients are the lifeblood of freelancing. Use freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or networking events to find your first clients. Leverage your network too. Step 7. Deliver exceptional work. Once you land a project, give it your all, meet deadlines. Communicate effectively with clients and exceed their expectations. Happy clients lead to referrals. Step 8. Manage finances. Freelancers are responsible for their finances. Keep track of income and expenses, set aside taxes, and consider working with an accountant. Step 9. Expand your skills. The freelancing landscape evolves. Stay updated. Learn new skills and adapt to changing market trends to remain competitive. Conclusion. In conclusion, freelancing in 2023 offers immense opportunities for those willing to put in the effort. It's a journey of self-discovery and independence. Remember, success takes time, dedication, and continuous learning. Thank you for joining us in today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Share your freelancing experiences and tips in the comments below. Until next time, happy freelancing! This script provides a comprehensive overview of how to start freelancing in 2023, broken down into 9 simple steps. You can use this as a foundation for creating a YouTube video or adapt it as needed to suit your style and content.